Okay, and the final speaker of the first session of the morning is Hervé Javice from ioTech, and he'll be telling us about innovative contactless technology for high resolution and high speed material deposition.
Good morning. Thank you very much. Good morning. It's a pleasure to introduce ioTech and technology which is continuous laser-assisted deposition. And what we're presenting today is basically a short intro of ioTech, then what is CLAD, C.L.A.D, then give you a few examples of 2D deposition, then 3D, and then a multi-material. We are founded 7 years ago. We are heavily investing in R&D. We have now 54 patents which have been filed, and that's about 31 patents granted. We have a team of 28 people, and we are based in Israel. And this is, I would like to extend my thoughts and prayers to all the victims and their families and their friends who have been massacred and injured and kidnapped over the last few days. Moving back to ioTech, we introduced the technology in 2021 at Productronica, and we received the award for innovation. So we are not here to compete to establish processes. We are here to enable further development in the industry, next gen, to do what has not been possible until now. And so what's the problem? There are two issues, put them in two blocks. One, it's about miniaturization. It's about the fact that in the packaging and assembly of semiconductors, we are now reaching limits. We cannot go smaller, and there is a need. Semiconductors get smaller, but not necessarily the packaging and the assembly. The second issue we're addressing, it's about the reshoring. We have today in packaging many highly polluting processes which are done far away from us, which cannot be reshored, and at a time when it's important to get production back in Europe or move to the US as well, to Singapore or to Israel, we need to have sustainable processes. And a solution we're bringing is the ioTech, the io300 system, which enables miniaturization and reshoring. Just to that, one second. Okay, the concept is very simple. So this is our machine, and here you have a foil. Now, that foil passes in front of a syringe. On the syringe, you have dispensing of material. This is as low-tech as it gets. It becomes much higher tech when we transform the material deposited, when we coat it into a very, very precise coating of, let's say, 30, 40 micron. And then it comes in front of a scanner, and the scanner is going to make little droplets that enables the printing on the substrate. So we have a technology which is non-contact, which has no nozzle, no mesh, and obviously we're additive, so there is no acid. And what we do is we do high-resolution printing. Now, not as great as some of the speakers here who reach a few microns. What we do is up to, let's say, 40 microns, but we do it at high speed. So this is a production technology. We enable multi-layers and multi-material. Now, we also have in the machine the post-processing, and that becomes important for the multi-layers from time to time. So we do the UV curing. We have also the thermal curing, laser sintering, and laser ablation. I would say this post-processing is the cherry on the cake. It's in addition to the basic printing, which is fundamental. Now, I would like to show you a small, short video to illustrate how the system works. So here you're going to have the jetting, the coating, and then you're going to have the laser jetting. So one drop at a time, and you see it appearing on the substrate. It's a very fast process. We're